G'day, I'm back at Hanno from Nuji Bushgood's YouTube channel, and I'm up at Rainforest Creek. The last time I filmed here was very early in the season. I think it was my second YouTube trout fishing video of the season, so check that out. I'm about to get into it. I'm starting with spinners as usual. I've got worms there, and I've got every lure you could think of under the book. If you like the video, give it a fat thumbs up. Sub if you're not subbed already. Drop a comment down below. That helps my channel grow. Check out Bella Eddie's Fishing, Tobar's Fishing, Blake's Fish Adventures, Tommy Time's Fishing, and last but not least, the Silver Fox 2.0. Cheers. Bronze with the black on it. I've been doing good with this, but probably better with the... This is a mapso size one. I've been doing better with the maps size one with the red dots. But I did start with something red and silver, and they weren't really looking at it, so we'll go with this. There've been a lot of bugs washed in, so that makes sense to go. Oh yep, straight away, and he's coming for a second time. Nice. He was all right for in here too, over 20. Nice. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see that, but I definitely saw him. He just jumped straight on it. Oh yeah. Took it late. Oh, well done. That's the average size fish here, probably more like 15 centimeters. I said 20 at the start. Oh, and he's gobbled it up. What a little cracker. Oh, I'm gonna have to get the pliers out on him. Let's put him in the water. We're on the board. Pass from back here. Little flick up. Not bad. Oh, yep, something behind it. Yep, got one. He's got me in a weird spot here. Oh, he's off. Yeah, had me in a bad position there. It's a bit better. We'll get that on the slow-mo replay. You can see the wave of him coming behind it, so pretty keen for it. Find it. Yep, got one. Got me in a weird spot here. Oh. Especially in a good hole like this. Try and get his... Oh, there's a bit of a shit cast. Shit cast and still catch a fish. How's the one behind it? One behind it was better. Oh, he's off. Oh. One behind it was a rip schnorter. Big cast. Should cast and still catch a fish. There's the one behind it. Oh yep, there goes one. There he goes. I'm waiting for him to come back out. I wish he just stayed in there now. Oh, a bit of a grenade cast, that one. Oh yeah. Oh, he was all right too. Oh yeah. Oh, he was all right too. Seen a couple of good ones up here. Does happen. Do see a couple of all right ones sometimes up here. Absolutely nothing wrong with that. We'll go left hand side now. Absolutely nothing wrong with that. Oh yeah, got a really little one after it. Oh yeah, got him. He's really small again, like the first one. If I land him. Say, grabbed it well. He just wet in my hand. Yeah, he's got it well. Number two, haven't managed to land those bigger ones. Had two opportunities. Not going to get photo. There we go. What beautiful little trout. Just place him in there. See ya, mate. to the right as I was creeping up slowly. Oh, I'm up in that tree. I got it out. Oh, yep. This is a donkey for you. Hopefully it stays on. This is an absolute cracker for here. Oh, he's off. Oh, that was nice. He probably run this show here. Up on those rocks, I might have a drink and just relax a bit. Look, two's all right. Dropped 3 decent ones. For here, they're all above average size. So it's a little bit disappointing, but that's just fishing. That's what it's called, fishing, not catching. Heard that shit before. But absolutely nothing wrong with the lure of choice. On the bronze again. Busted. Oh, look at him. Did you see that guy just come out? Saw him in peripheral vision. Not bad either. Hopefully they haven't gone off this colour. I don't think so. Oh, there's a shit cast. Oh, got one. That's the smallest, I reckon. If he stays on. All about that size that I've been landing, actually. Oh yeah, he's staying on. What a cute little fish. The little ones are staying on, but not the bigger ones. That's the second one I've done a shit cast and got a fish on, I'm pretty sure. Oh yep, 2 and 2 casts if he stays on. Thought he got off then. Oh, he did. I could have just pulled him out of the water, but I like to care for the fish. Pretty bloody good. Surely. Oh, I just saw one go off to the side and he's come down for it late. Kind of got out of the way over here. And he changed his mind. Oh, he's probably not coming back. Oh yep, and he was a solid model, that one, for here. Maybe getting up to the mid-20s. Come on. Oh, he's off. You don't want the elephant to strike again, that's me I'm talking about. Definitely some fish just up here feeding. Yep. Got him. There we go. Biggest of the day. There's another one chasing it down too. Oh, and he's well got it. I'll get a photo because I've only got the photo of the first one. Yeah, squeeze an overhead up there. Alright. Yep. Let's get him up here. Number 5, dropped 5, landed 5. What a beautiful little fish. Wet the hand, of course. Hey, off he goes. Oh, in the middle. Try that. Yep, got one. A little bit better. Feels it anyway. Number 6, if I can touch him. Yeah, oh, look at the markings on this one. Absolutely stunning. Got those par markings. Oh, he's quite chubby. He's probably, yeah, it's a male, I think, and it's probably got his sperm sacs already. What a little stunner. quite chunky. A little fella. Maybe 20, 21 centimetres or something. Yeah, like I said, he's probably full of his sperm sacs. I'll just pop him in here. Off he goes. Downstream, thank you, mate. Let's try and get another one. We've got more than what we've dropped now. Just dropped a few of those nicer ones, but there's nothing you can do about it. Yep, got another one. Geez, they pull hard up here. Forgot. Touch him. And he just hooked. Touched him. That's number 7. What a beautiful little fish. Just give him a little dive in there. Shit hot. Towards the rock, eh? Lovely. Oh, yeah. This might be the biggest one we've got so far. It's just fighting big, is he? Don't get off, don't get off. Oh, I've touched him. He's not getting off. Oh, look at the colours on him. That fish is gorgeous. Got to get a photo of him. Number 8. What a gorgeous little fish. Let's just get him back in the water. Off he goes. Well, we kind of want to get to 10 now, don't we? That might be it. 10's like that good mark. He felt good, but anything feels good on my little light setup. 4-pound mono, 5-foot carbon fibre rod. They all feel good. Lovely little fish. Well, that is the end of the video. I'm afraid I was itching to get to 10 fish. Only got the 8. Ended up dropping 8, catching 8 in this bloody backdrop. Look at what is behind me and in front of me. It's absolutely amazing. If you like the video, give it one of these, please. Please sub if you're not subbed already. It's simple as hitting a button. It's free. If you're not sure how to do it, ask your friends and they'll let you know how to do that. Drop a comment down below. That helps my channel grow. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Cheers.